up, everybody? Today I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of the Galaxy Watch 4. I went with the black Bluetooth model, Wi-Fi, GPS. All right, there you have it. You have the watch. In here, got the quick start guide. On the other end, I'm pretty sure it's the charger. Yep, got the charger. So they kind of changed it up from what they had in the past, where they had the little mound thing that was on the back and to hold it up. Now just peel that off. And slap it on like that. Charge it up. It's USB-A cable. Not sure why they didn't do USB-C, but all right, power that on. I will, use this for about a week. Come back with a review on how I feel about it. Probably buy me a couple of bands for it because I'm not really a fan of this plastic band. I choose to go with this one instead of the classic because I had the classic before. Yeah, it's cool and all, makes it feels like a watch, but I like this one, look a little bit more sporty. I could still do the same thing, just doesn't have the thick bezel. All right, that was it. Quick unboxing. I'll set this up and test it out. Peace.